dish made with roasted pig?
Steak.
Humba.
Wrong.
Lechon.
Ha?
Roasted pig, humba. What is the name of the active volcano located in the province of Albay in the Philippines? Active volcano.
Mayon?
Mayon volcano. Sabi ito ha, mga Megs.
Mayon Volcano.
What is the most famous beach destination in the Philippines? Beach. Famous beach destination.
Kasi white sand.
Bona, Nitch. Ihu Beach.
Boracay.
Boracay?
Boracay Island.
Very good.
How long is the term of the office of the Philippine President? Pila ka tuig na ang president sa ilahang
Turlo.
termino?